for Logan.
That's for you.
What? Perfect shape.
That's awesome.
What? So Adam, come here. So the other day, I was out doing some shopping, got myself a new toy. Can you guess what I got myself? Well, whatever I bought myself is coming down the road right now.
Isn't that Papa's truck?
Yeah, even though it's Mom's birthday.
Oh, what?
Who's that for?
That looks amazing.
Go check it out.
You.
That's
For me,
nice.
what do you think it's for you?
What do you think it's for?
It's for Logan.
That's for you.
What?
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 That's incredible. CRF150.
What?
It looks like it's in perfect shape.
That's awesome.
What? Are you serious?
Man.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, the boys are gonna be jealous of you.
Oh, are you being serious?
Yep.
What?
He fits on it
This
pretty
is
good
amazing.
too. We were wondering if
Oh
you'd
my
fit on
God.
it. Fit on it well.
You fit perfectly.
Yeah.
Holy.
Congrats, dude. This is awesome.
Thank you so much. Oh my god.
So we looked at the 100 the other day. So this is a 150.
What the
And I got it from the original owner. They never used it. He
What?
bought it for his daughter and it just sat in their garage.
Wow, it
It's
looks
so
brand
clean.
new.
Is it electric stuff?
It is electric start. Yep.
What? Serious?
Guy in Guilford.
Yeah, but what's his name?
Oh my
I
god.
don't know. I bet you know him.
Are you
I'll look
being
it up.
Oh, if you hold it
Especially
up,
if it's
I'll
for
undo
one
the
of the
strap.
kids.
Yeah, I bet you definitely know them. I'll look it up. I have his bill of
Can you
sale.
hold it up?
Yeah.
All right, get ready.
Oh my god.
Greg, can I undo the strap?
Yeah.
Way, Logan.
It's gonna go my
Kick
way.
to one side.
What?
Looks like you fit perfectly.
Ready? Once the shocks come out, it's gonna increase a little bit. Go high.
What year is it?
It's an 08.
Looks brand new.
Yeah. Hey, Chase.
Yeah, it looks brand new. The guy had 3 of them. Logan, he had a KX250 crank.
KX250, a KLX 140, and this.
Yeah. Oh,
right, let's get it
Electric Star
down.
is so nice too, and they were all like brand new. Every one of them was like brand new.
Are
It would
you
have been
being
nice to buy all
serious?
3.
Yeah.
Electric Start is the
all-
best
Oh my
too. That
God.
makes it so
So
much
now
more
Kendall
fun.
gets a new dirt bike. She gets the 50. Let's get it out. Let's get it down.
So much. I'm speechless. Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my god. What
Let's get it down.
my god.
Chase, did you hear me?
I'm actually sweating. Oh my god.
You get it?
Are you being... Oh my god.
Living my best life.
It's been
What did
sitting
I
for a
say?
little while.
Not crank. What do you
Oh my god.
It's been sitting for a little while, so it
Yeah.
needs to be like cleaned and tuned. Oh, there's no kickstart.
Just kidding. We bought it for Dad.
If you leave the key on, the battery will die.
Does it have kickstart
Is this for birthday or something? Not really. Craig it. Ola.
Fine!
Oh my god! What?
What? Had a snowmobile. Lean over the edge. I never connect to the thing.
It's gotta stay, Auntie Craig. It has to stay. I
Squeeze the clutch. So because the gears are on this side, you want to lean that way. Put your foot on the pedal. One down is first gear. All right, go up half a click.
Has he ever done this?
Got it.